All tradesmen know it's imperatively important to keep your tools sharp, honed, ready for use. And this new diamond stone from Faithfull really is the very, very top quality. What you've got here is a nice thick, precision engineered and ground flat block of aluminium. On this, you've got a 400 grit diamond coating, so it's nice, flat and even, and that's for taking all any little nicks, nooks, imperfections out of your blade. If you hit a nail, whatever, this is the side you use. Flip it over, and this side you've got 1000 grit diamond grade all the way along there for your fine finishing and your honing, and it all sits and rests on this. You've got two rubberized blocks with a block in the middle, 2 pins going through there. You put your stone in, you adjust the knurled grips there, and as you can see on the base, it's not going to go anywhere. So this gives you a nice flat surface to work with wherever you're at. This stone will not only do chisels, it'll do plane irons, it'll do knives, it'll do kitchen knives. It really is what you need to keep everything sharp and ship shape. So I'm going to put it on there. I like to use a bit of water on it, just a little bit of water. You don't need oil with this. I've got quite a damaged chisel here. I've hit a little panel pin with that. It's an imperfect blade. You can see some of the imperfections. It's craggedy and it's not performing at all well. So what you do, just find your flat edge there. You can use a honing guide if you're not used to sharpening, and then you can either draw it back and forward. Some people like to do a figure of 8, and you can hear, takes no effort, or you can go along. You can use right the way across. The diamond goes right the way across the full width. This is 20 centimetres long, or 8 inches in imperial, and it's 70 millimetres or 7 centimetres wide, which is about 3 inches. So that's starting to work. Just have a little look at it there. Yep, that's starting to lose all the bits. We'll just do a little bit more on that. That's starting to come out now. What you always do when you've done that, because you've probably got little burrs on that side, couple of pulls straight back to get rid of any little burrs. That's nice and easy. Now, just release, couple of little turns, nice and easy to do. Take the blade out, we're going to do final finishing now. Turn it over. The nice thing about this, it's never going to go rusty or anything. You've got no bits of wood there which are going to go rotten. You can just wipe it off after use and it's all ready to go. Tighten that up, little splash of water, put it all across there, and again, find your edge. Just listen to the difference in the sound. You can hear it smoothing off. Okay, now to finish off, you're on the flat there. To finish off, you should just raise it a little bit, so in effect you've got another edge. You can run it along under your arm there, give you a bit of more control, and you can do figure of 8 or backwards and forwards, whatever is more comfortable for you. This is called honing it, and then when you're done, can you just see we're starting to get, you've got your fine edge on there. Okay, always finish, get any little burrs, you might not even be able to see the burrs, but take them off. That's a nice sharp chisel ready to go. This, when it's not in use, when you're finished with it, just simply release this, take the stone out, give it a wipe, pop it in a little pouch, and away you go. There's a nice little neat pouch there to keep this nice and safe when it's not in use. That can go in your toolbox and away you go. The double-sided diamond sharpening stone from Faithfull. How cool is that?